Hello everyone, this is my review of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Soft Baked Bars. They come 6 in a pack. They're pretty delicious actually. They taste have a similar taste to the cereal and to other similar uh, products. The only thing is that the bars are a little bit smaller than I was expecting them to be, but they still taste very delicious. I'll show you what those are like in a minute. Well, let me do that now. See, the bars is a little bit smaller than I was expecting it to be. I expect it to be like as long as maybe a granola bar, but it's still pretty good, and I still recommend them because they're all delicious. And I hope that this review helps.